Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all tweets on Twitter at once using your PC or laptop. So keep watching this video and let's get started. First, open your Twitter account. Then right here, click your profile. And these are my tweets. To delete all my tweets, open a new tab and type tweetdelete.net. Then click sign in with Twitter. Then here, click the Authorize app. You can now click delete tweets. As you can see here, this is my account. For the age of tweets to delete, you can choose. Here, I will choose all my tweets. You can leave this one blank. You can choose between these two and just mark this. And tap delete my tweets. Now, let's go back to my profile. As you can see, my tweets are deleted. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!